Imagine putting on a pair of glasses, and suddenly, the physical world around you doesn't just change. It completely vanishes, replaced by a reality so crisp, so lag-free, and so unbelievably lifelike that your brain genuinely cannot tell the difference. No heavy plastic strap digging into your skull. No annoying motion sickness. No grainy lenses that make you feel like you are looking through a screen door. Just pure, unadulterated presence. For years, Mark Zuckerberg has been chasing a singular, borderline obsessive vision. The perfect spatial computer. We saw the stepping stones. The Quest 2 made VR affordable. The Quest 3 brought mixed reality to the masses. The Vision Pro showed us what luxury looks like if you have thousands of dollars burning a hole in your pocket. But behind closed doors at Meta's Reality Labs, engineers have been quietly working on the real endgame. The one headset to rule them all. The Meta Quest 4. But here is the catch. While the tech world is busy drooling over leaked renders and speculative spec sheets, there is a massive dark secret about the Quest 4 that almost nobody is talking about. A secret that changes absolutely everything we know about the future of gaming, work, and human connection. And if you think this is just another minor incremental upgrade with slightly faster chips, you are in for a massive wake-up call. Because what Meta is preparing to launch isn't just a new headset. It is a hostile takeover of the entire spatial computing industry. Before we dive into the mind-blowing hardware and the secret features that Meta is desperate to keep under wraps, we have to address the elephant in the room. Why now? Why is Meta pouring billions of dollars into a brand new generation when the Quest 3 and Quest 3S are still selling incredibly well? The answer lies in a silent war. A war between Meta, Apple, and Google. Apple entered the ring with the Vision Pro, throwing down a gauntlet of high-end premium tech. Google is partnering with Samsung to build their own Android-powered mixed reality ecosystem. Meta realized that if they didn't take a massive, revolutionary leap forward right now, they risked losing the crown they spent a decade building. So, what exactly is Meta Quest 4? And more importantly, how does it feel the moment you slide it over your eyes? Let's start with the visual experience, because this is where the Quest 4 completely rewrites the rules. If you've used any modern VR headset, you know the struggle of the sweet spot. You put the headset on, but if it shifts even a millimeter to the left or right, everything becomes a blurry mess. You constantly find yourself adjusting the strap, wiping the lenses, and squinting to read text. The Quest 4 completely eliminates this frustration. According to massive insider leaks from the supply chain, Meta is moving away from standard pancake lenses to a revolutionary, custom-designed dynamic micro-OLED display system. What does this actually mean for your eyes? It means a resolution jump so massive that individual pixels literally become invisible to the human eye. We are talking about near-retina resolution. When you look at text in a virtual workspace, it doesn't look like a projected screen. It looks like physical paper. When you look into the distance of an open-world game, you won't see shimmering aliasing or jagged edges. You will see a crystal-clear horizon. But high resolution is nothing without contrast. The Quest 4 is utilizing advanced local dimming zones that allow for true, ink-like blacks. Imagine playing a horror game. In older headsets, a dark hallway looked like